Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Muni. Good morning, Safia.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, it is maths class.
Yes, it's maths. Okay, so what's going on? Let us everyone join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Muazzam, Mudabbir. You know about test, right? You'll be having a test in the first week of November. Okay, so if you are selecting maths, I have already told you decimals will be there in the syllabus. Okay, any doubt is there in decimal? Okay, decimal means yes, Munib, you are mute. You're saying something?
No, ma'am. I was talking to Miss Kiran.
Okay. So, in decimals, what we have done in decimals, do you remember? What have we done?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
we did
Munib?
the addition of decimals,
Subtraction, multiplication.
All the operations
ma'am,
of
addition of of dividing of division,
you,
multiplying
okay, Abdullah, you keep quiet because you joined late.
decimals.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
decimals.
Decimals, you joined in the middle. Okay, so you don't know all the topics that we have done. Okay, Mandela's no. So what have we done in the beginning? How do we represent decimal in the form of pictorial diagram, like we represent fraction? Remember that we did that also. Shading part and everything, 10 out of 100, 20, like that. Okay, then we did addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Before that we did conversion of fraction into decimal, decimal into fraction. You remember that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So conversion of decimal into fraction, fraction into decimal, then add all the operations, then rounding off of decimal. That also we have done. Okay, and after that, word problems of decimal. That's all. Okay, you will remember that. So this will be your syllabus for test will be in the first week of November. Okay, you will get the date, and the test will be conducted during the normal class, like in my maths class only it will be test. The test will be there. You will
Ma'am,
be,
only for Mandela this is.
this decimal is only for Mandela. You will be giving test in right. Okay, so this is only for Mandela. So in
And ma'am,
yeah.
this the Goa maths we have, that also will have exam.
No, that maths you will not have. Tagore maths, this time we are not having taking test. Okay, happy? Only one maths test for you. So so you'll be having only decimals now. So prepare well during the class. So it will be 20 marks. Okay. So it will be simple paper only. If you know the concept, you will be able to do everything. And then 40, maximum 40 minutes, like the period na, like we have our class 50-minute class. So during that time only you have to turn in the paper. Okay, is it clear, everyone? During the time of the paper only you have to submit. Muazzam still smiling. What are you seeing? Any joke?
No, ma'am, I'm on the Zoom screen only.
Okay. So, what am I talking about? I'm talking about test, right? It is a serious topic. You can take it as a fun also, because if you take it as fun, you can do well. Okay. Don't take tension and do well. Okay. So, understood everyone, na?
Yes, ma'am.
During the class, we'll share the question paper, and towards the end of the class, you have to turn in the paper, right? So during that time only you have to complete whatever doubts you have. I'll be there in the class only, but all of you have to switch on your camera and solve the paper, right? Clear, everyone? Okay. Any doubt is there in decimals, Mandela? Any question about the topic and everything? It's clear, everyone? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So why so many? Why? Only 9 में से भी 2 तो one is only 8 people have joined. We should be 15, right? Try to join on time because then you miss on the class. What we were doing in the previous class?
Yeah, has not come.
Did that double fraction.
We were doing multiplications and division, addition, subtraction, simplification problem. Okay? So today we will continue with some more problems and some word problems of fraction. Fraction where you get so many word problems. So we'll do some word problems also. Okay.
We did something in the last also. Now see that double fraction it was there.
Fraction by fraction also you should be able to solve if something is given fraction divided by fraction, fraction upon fraction, okay, whole number upon fraction. So you should know how to do the where to do the reciprocal. Okay, so Mandalas, it is clear. How many Mandalas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Mandalas, the test is clear to you all. Syllabus is decimals, all the operations of decimal, word problem, conversion of decimal into fraction, fraction into decimal, okay, and word problem of decimals plus rounding off of decimal. So this is your syllabus. Test will be conducted during my maths class only, okay, and you have to turn in with during that time. So that's all. Okay. Umaira, Ahmad, Abdullah, switch on your camera and let us start with our class. This is your question. As usual, the hints are given. Find out the answer. I am not equivalent to half. I am not in simplest form. So it is not in the lowest form. Okay. My numerator is less than half of my denominator. I am equal to third. A third means what is 1/3? Munib, what is 1/3?
3/9, ma'am. 3/9.
1/3 means 1/3. Okay. So what is the answer for this one? 3/9 is okay 1/3. But my numerator is less than
Yes, ma'am.
half of my denominator.
5/15. 5/15 might be, or 6/12.
Okay, tell me. I think 5/15.
You're muted.
Okay, I am not equivalent to a half. I am not in a simplest form. My numerator is less than half of my denominator. So 5/15 is the correct answer. Who has given me this answer? Okay, do the next one. Okay, good, Abdullah Patel. Next one. I am not less than 0.5. My numerator is even. I am not equal to 4/5.
7.
I am greater than 3/4. I am not less than
7/8.
7/8. Any other answer?
Not correct, ma'am, because my numerator is even.
My numerator is even. So 7/8 is wrong. I am
12/15 or 10/12.
one answer. 10/12 or what?
5/10.
5/10 is 1/2, which is 0.5. So I'm not less than 0.5.
8/10.
8/10 is how much? Is it greater than 3/4? I am not equal to 4/5 also. Answer is 10/12 and find out how. Nobody has got 10/12?
My numerator is even. That's right.
I am not equal to 4/5. So that is
Yes.
also right.
I am greater.
Then
And it
3/4.
is
That's
greater
also
than
right.
3/4. So it is greater
And
than.
not less than 0.5. That's also right.
Not less than 0.5. Okay. Okay. So this, you remember we were doing this exercise, right? And I gave you these as homework. Have you completed it? This one?
And I was not able to take that screenshot, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then next questions we are doing now. Okay, this type of question, when you get in fraction, you have to find out 1/2 of 10 kg. How will you find out 1/2 of 10 kg? Anybody knows? Safia,
5 kg. Ma'am, 5
Ma'am, we'll write 1
Half
upon
of
4 into 10 and
yes,
then we'll cut 2 ones and 2 fives.
correct. So off means into. So you will write, what will be your answer? You will write 1/2 into 10 kg. So your
5.
answer will be 5, not only 5. You have to write the unit also, 5 kg. Okay. So find out the second part. What is the second?
Ma'am, but how 1/2 into 10 is 5 kg?
2
Lowest
ones
form,
are
na?
5 twos are 10.
Once I told you, you can cancel it out in the numerator and denominator. In multiplication, you can cancel out. Okay. So 5 kg. Okay. Second one is 3/5 of 1 hour. How will you do? Mandalas, you might be knowing it. Amina, do you know how will I do 3/5 of 1 hour?
Then multiplied by.
You will multiply by 1 hour, but I don't want into fraction.
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5. 3. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
5.
60.
Yes.
5.
You
12.
have to write 1 hour converted into 60 minutes, because fraction hour
Ma'am,
is not a suitable answer to write. So convert 1 hour. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60 minutes. So what will be the answer now?
5 12 is 60.
5 ones are
5 ones are 5 and 5
12.
12s are is 60. So 12 threes are
3 12 are 36.
36.
so 36. Only 36 you will say?
36 minutes. 36 minutes.
Yes, 36 minutes is the answer for this.
Half hour and 6 minutes.
Yes, now find out this. Do it yourself. Give me the answer.
4
4/7 of 2, 1/3 kg. You should know to convert it and give me answer with the unit.
Ma'am,
Yes, Afia?
of is 4/7 into 2 1/3, right?
Yeah. So change it to 1/3.
7/3 if you convert it.
Yes, 7/3 kg also you have to write, because that is the unit. Then
4/3 kg.
28/21.
make it cancel na 7 7.
Acha. 1.
So 4/3 kg. Okay, so you can write it into decimals. Okay, so this way you can do now. These questions you can do. Okay, last one, just do the sixth one. Do the sixth part. 5/11 of 2 times of off is there. So wherever off is there, you have to multiply. Okay, so 4/5.
Ma'am, we can cut 11 and 22. 11.
Yes. 2s are 5.
Ma'am, it will be 8 kgs.
Yes. Answer is 8 kg. Fine. So it is clear how do we find out the fraction part of a particular unit. What is important to remember that you have to write the unit in the answer. Okay, 3 half times of 2 meters. Answer will be in meters only. Okay, now this is a word problem. A bought 3/4.
Can you do the last term again, ma'am? 5/14 into 4/5 into 20.
This one. Multiply all the 3, you'll get the answer, Abdullah. 5/11 into 4/5 into 22. Cancel 11 and 2. You can cancel this diagonally also. In multiplication, you can cancel top and bottom. Okay.
Ma'am,
Cancel
5 and 5.
You got the answer, Abdullah? Okay, I'm moving to the next question. Okay.
Ma'am, then we can
Ma'am,
cut
8 is the
22 and
answer, ma'am.
11 also, no?
8
Yes, answer is 8. 8 na? Farhana, what was the answer? 8
kgs, ma'am. 8 kg.
Yeah, 8 kgs. Okay. Okay, now see the first question. A bought 3/4 kg of wheat and 1/2 kg of rice. Find the total weight. Anas, tell me, find the total weight of wheat and rice bought. What will we do here? A bought 3/4 kg of wheat and 1/2 kg of rice. Okay. So what total weight of wheat and rice bought. What will we do here, Anas?
Ma'am, you have to write this in book.
Yes, write down in notebook, only answer. Tell me what will we do? Anas is not there in the class. I heard is Yahya is there. Yahya is also not there. If you are there, please say yes, because I cannot see everyone at a time. Yeah, who will answer? Safia, can you tell me what we are going to do here?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am, I've done the sum, ma'am.
You have got the answer also?
Yes,
Um,
ma'am.
Okay, Safia, you just tell me what will we do?
And
Addition-
first we'll take 3 into 4, 12, plus 3, 15,
Yes.
15, and then 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. So we'll do 15 plus 5, the answer would be 20.
Huh. Okay. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. You are changing it into improper fraction. That is correct. So this is 15 by 4 kg wheat, and this is.
Ma'am, then we will do
5 by
LCM,
2.
ma'am. Then we will do LCM.
But my question is, what operation I am going to do?
We have to add it. Add it, ma'am.
Add.
Add.
That you have to add it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Well,
so
the
we will have to
answer
do
is
LCM, ma'am.
20 upon 6.
Okay. So if you take LCM also, if you don't take LCM also, you can solve it. Wait.
20
Ma'am,
upon 6.
4 is it?
I'm 25.4.
Okay, if you are adding it, if you add it, 15 by 4 will be the LCM, right? Plus 5 2s are 10, and this is 4. Okay. So your answer is how much? 25 upon 4.
Ma'am, the question is A bought 3 A bought 3 upon 4 kg of wheat.
Correct. And 1 by 2 kg of rice.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
A, we can write any name or we have to write A only. A bought
Anything. A is a name of person. Okay. So you can write A only. Okay. So wheat bought, how do you write in words? You write wheat bought.
25 upon 4, ma'am.
Yeah, you will write like this. Wheat bought is equal to 15 by 4 kg. Then rice bought is how much? 5 by 2 kg. Then total rice and wheat is equal to total rice and wheat is equal to add 15 by 4 plus 5 by 2 kgs. And when you add it, what is the answer you are getting? You are getting 25 by 4. Who will change it into mixed fraction?
Ma'am, 6 whole number, 1 numerator, 4 denominator.
1, na? 6, 1 by 4. Okay, this is your answer. Is it clear, everyone? You got?
Ma'am, you forgot to write kg.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if you want to add it, then we can, to make the denominator same, we can also find the LCM and then make the denominator
Same way I did here, na? I made the denominator same because LCM is 4. So how do you make same denominator? 2 into 2 is 4. So 5 into 2, 10. I did it directly. Okay. Because you people know already, na? So I did it directly. Okay. So our next question.
Ma'am, to change mixed fraction into improper fraction, you have to do that, na? That multiply and then plus.
Yes, you have to do that. Okay. Okay, next one now. This was the answer, 6 1 by 4. Now sugar cost this much, 37 1 by 2 per kg. You know what is per kg, okay? Find the cost of 8 3 by 4 kg sugar. Okay, Mohammadi, tell me what we'll do. What operation we are going to do? You tell me that.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am,
The
we have
sugar
to,
costs how much per kg? What is the price? It is 37 or 37 and a half.
37 1 by 2. So it is 37 and a half. Mixed fraction, okay? 37 1 by 2 is mixed fraction. Okay.
ma'am, we have to multiply.
You have to multiply, yes. So first of all, what will be my first step? Anas, what will be my first step? Because both are in mixed fraction. So what will I write in first step?
Convert into yeah, fraction.
So I have to write cost of sugar. Okay? For 1 kg. Is how much? Tell me. Who has changed? Anyone has changed it into
Ma'am, please write it on the board now.
I'm writing. What you're telling? Not to write.
Oh, ma'am,
64 upon
write
2.
the question, ma'am. Write the question.
This is the question.
Converted into
It's not visible, Abdullah. Abdullah
No, ma'am.
Patel. Sugar cost. This is not visible.
No, it is only visible. A bought 4 kg.
Everyone
Ma'am.
is not visible. My board is not visible.
Ma'am,
Sugar
75 upon 2. No, ma'am, your board is visible.
visible.
Ma'am, only one question is visible. That first question. A bought 4 kg of wheat and 2.
No, ma'am. Second is also visible, ma'am.
Second, everyone can see, Abdullah. Just check. Farhana's this thing also screen. Just check. Or log out.
Yes, ma'am, I can see, ma'am. I can see.
Yeah. So, so this is how much? Anyone has converted
64
it?
upon 2.
64. 7 to the
74 upon 2 into 35 upon 4.
74 कैसे आएगा? 1 is also there, na? You have to add it.
Yes, ma'am, 75, sorry.
75 upon 2 rupees. And what is then cost of 8 3 by 4
35 upon
is
4.
equal to 75 upon 2 into 35 upon 4. How much is it? No lowest form, so we'll have to multiply.
Ma'am, 2625
Lowest
upon
form
8.
hai kya?
No.
Yes. No, no, na? No.
Ma'am, 2625 upon 8.
2625 upon 8. Okay. Okay, so isko you have to convert it into this thing. Mixed fraction. Anyone can
Ma'am, we
convert
have to
it?
write this question down.
Yes, write down. Write down with me only so that it doesn't take so much of time. So
1
cost
second.
of 37 1 by 2 per kg. Sugar cost this much for 1 kg. So cost of this much kg will be, you have to multiply. So 35 upon 4 into 75 upon 2. And then I have not checked this multiplication. Everyone just check this multiplication. 75 into 30.
22 upon 8.
3. No, what is the whole number, Munib? Tell me the whole number.
Ma'am, 328. 64 upon 8.
Ma'am, 328 1 upon 8, ma'am.
Yeah, it should be 328 is correct. What is
328 1 upon 8.
1 upon 8? Na? So this is your answer. Okay. What is the unit? Rupees. So always write the unit also. This is your answer for this question. Okay. Calculations might be long, so you should be comfortable with the calculations. Okay, moving on to the next question.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Just note down the question and you can do it on your own also. $328 1 by 8 is the answer. Okay. Okay, so this one question, just go through it. A motorcycle runs 31.
Ma'am, can you do one side back, ma'am, please? 2 minutes. Only 30 seconds.
What happened?
Ma'am, please.
Just a moment. This one. Done? Done, Ananas?
3 to 8 highest, ma'am, done.
You just have to multiply that, you have to do. Okay, moving on to next question. Okay, see, a motorcycle runs this much kilometer consuming 1 liter of petrol. So in 1 liter, it consumes this much of, 1 liter, it moves this much kilometer. So how much distance will it run consuming this much liter of petrol? What will
Shall I
it?
write
What,
the question down?
no, don't write the question. Just write in this thing. Statement if you write, you will be able to do. 1 liter petrol may this much kilometer. So this much liter of liter may how much distance will it travel? Ahmad, what will we do in this question?
We'll multiply.
Yeah. So multiply it. Multiply and give me the answer. Who will give me the answer? Who is the first one to give me the answer? We'll write distance covered in 1 liter equal to
121 upon 4.
31 1 by 4.
122, ma'am. We'll have to add that one also.
So what is it? Mixed fraction में change करो.
122 upon 4.
122 upon 4. कैसे?
4.
What is 31 into 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So it is 125.
125 upon 4.
It is 125 upon 4. Okay, Munir? And then distance covered in. Just ignore my bad handwriting. It's not coming out well. Distance covered in 13 by 5 liters is equal to how much? 13 by 5 into 125 by 4. What is 13 by 5, Amina? 13 by 5?
8 upon 5.
8 upon 5. You are not doing, Amina. Please try everyone to do it. Questions in the notebook. It's better if you practice it. What will I do, Anas? Anas, why your camera is off?
is 50.
Anas, what will I do? Can I cancel anything over here?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes.
8 and 4 is there.
1 4 2s are.
Huh?
4 1s are.
4 2s are. Here 5 1s are and here 5 2s are and 5 5s are. Answer is 50 kilometer.
50 kilometers.
25 into 2 is 50. Okay. Is it clear, this question?
Ma'am, 1 second.
You can see the solution over here also. Okay, next.
I've done it in a different method.
Same method, they have multiplied only. Same.
But where did that 1000 upon 20 come from?
Because they didn't do the lowest form before. You should do the lowest form before multiplying, because then it reduces your time. Okay, so we should do the lowest form here only. Okay, I should make it here, because kya hota hai then because so long multiplication when you do, you can make mistake. So better to do it here. What was here? 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are, and 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. So here only you write 50 kilometer. Okay. In the end, don't do the lowest form. Here in this step only do the lowest form. Both the ways you can do, but this is a better way to do, because when you get bigger numbers, make it in the lowest form so that in the end you have smaller multiplications to do. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, wait.
No, I'm not changing the slide. The next question is, a rod of length 2 by 5 meter is divided into 5 equal parts. Find the length of each part. Humaira, what will we do in this question? Length, total length is given. It is divided into, answer is there in the question only. Just read the question carefully.
Ma'am,
There is, you have
you have to divide.
divide it to.
Divided by
Yes,
5.
you will divide. It is divided into 5 equal parts. So find the length of each part. So obtain. Find out the length of each part. You will divide 2 by 5 by how many? By what number you will divide?
12.
12.
5.
By 5. You will divide it by 5. Okay.
12 upon 25.
12 upon 25. Everyone is getting this answer? Total
What is the
length.
3 dot? Ma'am, what is the 3 dot? Ma'am, do you have answer at the 3 dot, that 3
Yes.
dot distance covered in?
Which
12/25, ma'am.
31 1 by 4 is there.
Ma'am, no, that नीचे वाला 3 dot है ना मैम?
3 dot किधर है?
Ma'am,
Right, therefore.
therefore.
Acha, therefore. Okay, this is therefore. This is short form of therefore. Okay. Total length. So total length is how much? 2 by 5 meter.
12 upon 5.
Upon 5 meter. So find the length of each part. Length of each part is equal to length of each part.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
total length equals to then 2 whole 2 upon 5, and then below that one you will write 12 upon 5.
Ha. Nahin. Where is it? See, I am writing na 12 by 5 divided by 5. Okay.
No,
because-
ma'am, over here.
12 by 5 into 1 upon 5.
Where, Safia? Tell me. I cannot see.
Total length equals to 2 whole 2 upon 5. Then
So 5 twos are 10.
12 upon 25.
so we'll write 12 upon 5 below that only.
12 by 5 below that only you write. You will solve it, na? You solve it over here only and then solve the next part. 12 upon 25, what will be the unit? Meters. In the end, you have to write the unit. So 12 upon 25 is the answer. It is a proper fraction, so this only you will get as answer.
One second, ma'am, okay?
Yeah.
Every part of the rod is 12 upon 25 meters.
Yes. So length of each part is 12 upon 25. Can you see my screen?
Ma'am, we can see the screen where the question we did the question, that question only we can see.
Okay.
The solution you did.
Every time this person goes. So this is the answer. Now coming to the next question. Cost of 3 5 by 7.
Ma'am, we can't see the question.
Ma'am, we can't see the next screen.
Ma'am, erase the
Come back
motorcycle one.
Okay, sharing it again. Huh? Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is cost of 3 5 by 7 liters of oil is rupees 83 1 by 2. Find the cost of 1 liter of oil. What will we do?
Ma'am will divide.
Yes, you will divide. So divide it. You will divide what? Divided by what will do? Tell me that. Cost
And
of.
first we'll convert it into a.
First step is always to convert. So first you will write the statement. Where is it? What will be my first statement? Cost of 3 5 by 7 liters of oil equal to 83 1 by 2 rupees, which is equal to how much? That you have to do. And this is how much?
26 upon 7.
That one is 166 upon 2 and this one is 26 upon 7.
Very nice.
This is how much? This is how much?
166 upon 2.
167.
167 upon 2.
Numerator. Always you forget to add the numerator. You have to add the numerator. So 167 upon 2 rupees. Okay.
Ma'am, what is there after oil equals to? Yeah, what is it?
83. Question mein hai 83 1 by 2. Okay. So cost of 1 liter of oil is equal to, you will divide what by what? Tell
So you
me.
divide 26 upon 7 by 167 upon.
See, I have to find out in rupees. My answer should be in rupees. So my numerator should be in rupees. Is it clear? So I will divide this thing, 83 1 by 2 divided by 3 5 by 7. So that is 167 by 2 divided by 26 by 7. What is the answer? 167 by 2 into 7 by 26. Is it divisible? Can you check it? Just check what is the calculation. Find out, do the calculation. Abdullah, not doing. Every time you give me the answer first. Yeah, Ahmed, how you doing?
Ma'am, we can't cut, right?
You
Yes.
cannot. So you will have to multiply, right?
I got the answer.
What is the answer?
It's 1169 upon 52.
It is 1169 upon 52. Just check other parts also we have done correctly or not.
1169 upon 52.
1169 upon 52.
1169 upon 52.
Yeah, so mixed fraction.
Ma'am, 1169
Solution
upon
is given over here. See, mixed fraction may 22 25 by 52. You know how to convert it into mixed fraction. Divided by 52, whatever be the quotient is the whole number, and the remainder will come in the numerator. Okay, don't forget to convert mixed fraction or improper into mixed fraction into improper. Okay, next question is given over here. Those who have completed, start with the next question. A lamppost has half of its length in mud and 1/3 of its length in water. What fraction of its length is above the water? Muazzam, can you tell me how can we try this question?
Ma'am, we'll add 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2.
Yes. Then what will we do?
Ma'am, and then we'll subtract it from 1.
Correct. Excellent. You will add 1/3 and 1/2, and then you will subtract it from 1. You will get the length above water. Okay. Now, how do we do this question? Those who have not understood, just go through the question. A lamp, everyone, have you completed the previous question?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed the previous question? Then pay attention on this next question because I have to explain this question. Anas, completed the previous question?
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad Muhammadi?
Yes.
Okay. So see, when this type of question is asked, a lamppost has half of its length in mud and 1/3 of its length in water. So this is fraction given. They have not given you the exact length which is in water or in mud. So that is why the unit is not given. It is just a fraction. Then they have asked what fraction of its length is above the water. You know that whole thing is considered as 1. Okay. So what portion?
5 upon 6 minus 1.
No, wait. 1 upon 6 is the answer, Muhammad Muhammadi. Let me complete. So whole part, you will take it as 1. We will take whole part. Let us suppose the whole part of rod. Whole part of rod, we take it as 1. Okay. So the part dipped in mud, or fraction you can write. Part dipped in mud is how much? How much? Tell me from the question. Part
1 upon 2.
5.
half is 1/2. Part dipped in water.
1/3.
1 upon 3.
So it is 1 upon 3. Okay. So if you have a rod, they have asked what fraction is above water. This is a rod. Okay. This much is water and this much is mud. Okay. So they have told this is 1/3. This is 1/2. So how much is left? This whole we have taken as 1. So what will we do? We will we will add these two, okay, and subtract it from 1. So what is the fraction? Fraction of length above water. Because whole thing we always consider whole fraction is 1 minus. You will have to subtract after adding 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Can you add 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? What is the LCM of 1 by 2, 2 and
6.
3?
5 upon 6 is the total answer,
So
ma'am.
this is 3 by 6. This is how much? 2 by 6.
2 by 6. 5 upon 6 minus 1.
1 minus. So what do we get? 1 minus 5 upon 6. Now again you will find out the LCM. You take it as 6 minus 5 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 6. So this
1
is,
upon 6 is the answer, ma'am.
yes. So first part answer is 1 upon 6. If any step is not clear to anyone, please ask, because I have done it in short form. So writes, if you are not understanding, please ask. Huh?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Which step? Tell me. So I'll explain that step.
Me too.
Ma'am, when you added that both sums, you made them made the denominator same, and then you added it like 3. So
Five.
5 upon 6. Then how did you do your 6 minus 5 upon 6?
That I'm telling you. See what I did. What do? You take LCM, right? So when you're doing 1 minus 5 by 6, your denominator is 1, right? What is LCM of 1 and 6? 6 only? 1 and 6, LCM is 6 only, Abdullah, right?
Yes.
So 6. So when you are multiplying 1 with 6, numerator also you have to multiply with 6, right? And
Yeah.
the denominator is already 6. So you don't have to do anything. So 6 minus 5 is how much? 1 by 6. Is it clear? So that only I have written like this.
Ma'am, I write the question down. Answer down.
Yeah, write down. Na? You got the first part answer. Anyone has done the second part?
I did, ma'am.
Did?
Yes.
What is the answer for second one? Tell me.
I got 25 upon 6.
You have to do 3. What did you do? Tell me that.
I
3,
did
1 by 3.
1 by 3 plus 5 upon 6.
If this much of the lamp post is above the water, no, above the water we have calculated 1 by 6. Find the whole length of the lamp post. This will be wrong answer, Abdullah.
Ma'am, part flipped in mud, right?
See, we have found the fraction, right? 1 by 6 of the length is above water. So they have given you in second part how much is the length above. This much is of the lamp post is above the water. Okay, so that means find the whole length of the length. So what did you do, Abdullah? What did you do?
Ma'am, I did 3 1 by 3 plus 5 upon 6.
Plus you will not do. Plus you will not do.
Ma'am, because 5 upon 6
Anyone
is
else?
under the water,
Mudabbir,
right?
can you try? Mudabbir, Muazzam, Ahmad. What will we do? You can use algebra also over here. Mandalas can use algebra also. See, 3 1 by 3 meter of the lamppost is above water. This is a total length. And the fraction we know that 1 by 6 of the total length is above water. You can equate it also. The elder children can do like this. 1 by, if x is the total length, let us suppose x is total length. Okay. If x is total length, so 1 by 6 of total length is equal to, they have given 3 1 by 3 meter. Okay. What is it? 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. So 1 by 6x is equal to 10 by 3. So x is equal to how much? 10 by 3 into 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So your total length is 20 meters. Is it clear? This is one method. You can do other method. I'll explain. For elder children, I have explained this method. This method is clear. Muazzam, Mudabbir, Ahmad, Amina.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Farhana, is it clear this method? See, when you get, because we have found out the fraction is not same as total length. Okay. So 1 by 6 of total length is above water. They have given the length, actual length, which is above water. So you will equate it. 1 by 6 of total length. X we have considered total length is equal to this much. okay, above water is this much. So you just find out total length, x ki value. Solve it by linear equation and you can find the answer. Munib, is it clear?
Ma'am,
Munib?
this is the second answer.
This
While
is second
while
answer. Yeah, second answer is now coming to rights. Rights, did you understand this method? Did you understand this, what I did?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just erase it and explain you this.
when the second part I didn't
Ma'am, you are doing the second part, na, ma'am.
Yeah, second part. See,
And the answer is
first part is
20.
clear, 1/6. Length of post above water is given this much, okay? And we have found out this to be, this is not 10/3. Yeah. This is 10/3 after finding out this thing, mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 1/6 of the total length is 10/3. I took it as x, okay? Let us suppose that the total, because this I have got 1/6. This is your, this 1/6 is not your actual length. This is a fraction of length. Like this is, suppose this is a circle. This is a circle, suppose, and 1/3 they have told. So I have to take it like this. Okay, so 1/3 is how much? This much. Okay, 1/3 is this much. If I take this figure, this is 1/3, but this is not the actual measurement, right? So they have asked you the actual measurement. If this is the rod, if you divide it into 3 parts, this is 1/3 of the part, but you don't know the length. So they have given you the length. 3 1/3 is the actual length. So if this is 3 1/3, what will be the total length? See, what will be the total length? You will multiply it with how much times? 3 times you will get the total length, right? Is it clear? But here in the question it is 1/6, so you have to multiply it with 6. Do you understand the rights? Again, let me explain. Once more I'll explain because this is not clear. Eraser. Elder one, you do it with x only, na? Because that is easier. See the rights. We have got 1/6 meter above water. 1/6 is divide the whole length into 6 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am, second part का answer is 20, na?
20 meters. Okay. See, Abdullah, Anas, Muhammadi, just check over here. Muhammad Saqib. 6 parts are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have divided it into 6 parts. So one part is, this is 1/6. Okay. This is 1/6. And this is the total rod. So if I have length of this rod, and if I multiply, what is the length of this rod? This is 3 1/3. And if I multiply it with 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I multiply it with 6, you will get the total length of the rod. Is it clear? Abdullah. And who else is there? Anas, Muhammadi. And if this is not clear, then you learn the first method only. That let total length be x. Let total length is equal to x. Then part above water is 1/6x, which is given as in the question 3 1/3. Okay. So x is whatever we do over here. Here you have to divide this. Have you done algebra? Rights? Have you done? X, Y, have you studied?
No.
No. Okay, then you will not understand. Then you understand this method only. Okay, that it is 1/6. One part is 1/6. So what is the whole part? Anas, pay attention over here. See, you are looking somewhere else. How do you understand? In the end, you will say we didn't understand.
1/6 into 6.
1/6 into 6. Simple. Not 6, sorry. That will be the whole thing. 1/6 Let me
Ma'am, but
see.
we need the whole thing, na, ma'am. So we will do 1 by 6 into 6, na.
Wait,
We need the whole thing.
wait, let me explain this once again. See, you have, suppose I have this pen, okay? My pen total length is suppose 9 centimeter, okay? 9 centimeter is the length. If I say 1/3 of the length, what is 1/3 of the whole length? What is it, Abdullah? 1/3 of whole length. This
Ma'am,
is
so the pencil is divided in 3 parts and only 1 part is shaded.
So total length is 9, and I have asked you what is the length of 1/3. So what will be the length of 1/3? Total
3.
9 divided by 3. I'm asking 1/3, so you have to divide by 3. 1/3 of 9. Okay, so 9 into 1 by 3, not 9 into 3. Is it clear? I am asking 1/3. If I say 1/3 is 2 centimeter, so what is the length of the total thing?
1/3 is 2 centimeters.
2, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will be the total length, right? So what
8,
you do?
ma'am. 8.
No, 3 now, 1/3. 2 is 1/3. So 2. So it is 6. So basically, what did you do? 2 into 3.
Yes.
Okay.
So 1/6 is a part of 6. That rod is
1/6 is a part, and this length is 2 by 3. Is it clear? So 2 by 3 ko you have to multiply with 6. Okay, it is okay if you don't understand. That's no problem. We can do later on also. In your right class also we can do it. Okay, this is a little bit higher level for you. So even if you don't understand, leave it. If you understand, it is good. Okay, so coming back. Okay, time is over now, so we'll stop only. Cancel it. Where is it? Time is over. Okay, so I'll stop sharing now. Okay, so that's all. Word problems of fraction till here you revise, and Mandela's for you. I think it is easier for you because this you have already done. So it is just a revision. Fine. So see you.
Ma'am, for the last question, we can use the algebra method also, right?
You use algebra method only because for your level.